I think it take way too long to do all of them. But we're just gonna do 3 for now. And if you guys want me to do more of them, you guys just comment down below, #part2, and make sure you like that video so I will know. Also guys, we're having another meet and greet. We just had the other one. It was so fun, and we just want to have another one just for the people who were able to go, and also for, you know, whoever wants to come again. I love meeting you guys. It was so fun. It's August 11th from like 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at Arizona Mills Mall, so make sure you're there. I really want to meet you guys. And it's gonna have like a unicorn slime party theme, also back to school theme, so yeah. And today's like my job to be trying to first like with your chin, like that. I'm just gonna share it out into the video. Yo! Choo choo on the choo choo train. Yo! So basically guys, how this challenge works is I go on Instagram and I post some polls for you guys, and then you guys choose from what it is. So yeah. But anyways guys, so for this poll I asked you if you wanted glue out or just regular school glue, and you guys check. My flash is on. I don't know what to do guys, because it's like 50-50. Guys, it's literally 50-50. I don't know what to do. So what I'm gonna do guys is I'm just gonna put both glues in the bowl. That is really weird. I've never encountered that before. So this is new to me. Alright, so we're gonna put regular school glue. And I can't put that much because this is for the background slimes. Alright, and then some glue. Why is that chunky? Wasn't that chunky? Okay guys, let's go ahead and mix that up. Ooh, that actually gave a pretty cool texture. Okay, next poll guys. So this one actually wasn't really a poll, it's actually which color, but it uses like the same thing. It's that little thingy that goes, you know? You know? Okay. Anyways, I decided, why don't I put all the colors in the rainbow instead of just 2? So I decided to do it like that, and you guys chose blue. So yeah, there's some blue. Let's see if that's enough. I think it should be because it's really strong. Yeah, that was like too much, I think. Okay, next one. Next poll is cornstarch or lotion. Can you guys guess what you guys chose? 1, 2, 3. You guys chose lotion! I love lotion so much. It gives it such a nice texture. I've been so obsessed with it lately, not lazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of lotion, just a couple squirts, you know. I should just open the bottle. Okay, let's go ahead and mix that. I love lotion, guys. I love to put lotion in slime because it gives it like really nice glossy texture. And even though it makes it kind of like more watery, when you activate it, the glue is still kind of like thick. Like it never really lost its thickness. It just kind of like got thinner or something. I don't know. But it's really nice. Next poll, guys, is instant snow or plastic snow. Can you guys guess what you chose? Boo, 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 boo. Instant snow! And I totally didn't know that. I'm just kidding. But guys, you guys always choose instant snow. It's like everybody loves instant snow. Why don't you give plastic snow a little chance? Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and activate it before I put the instant snow because that's what you're supposed to do. So yeah, pour it in there and let's start.
Hey Ameerah, when are you gonna start Musical.ly or TikTok?
Soon, I promise. Make sure to follow me, just Ameerah, and also follow Paul. He's starring too. It's Paul, which that is Paul. Let me repeat it. It is HMMMM Paul. So I feel like this is turning out pretty well. Like the texture seems pretty good right now, although it's not completely done. And I'm actually really excited to see how this is going to turn out since it has glue and regular glue and also lotion. Because like the regular glue kind of has like a really nice glossy touch to it, but like at the same time it's thin. And like it has a different texture, you know? Okay guys, so here's how the slime turned out. It's kind of like jiggly. I don't know why, but it is.
Really nice slime. Can I touch it?
I don't know, I don't really like it that much. It's kind of weird. Let's see what kind of cloud cream it makes though. But I'm just gonna go ahead and over-activate it really quick so that, you know, the instant snow, because the instant snow, guys, kind of like melts the slime, if you guys don't know. So you gotta kind of like over-activate it a little bit. Okay, so now we got some instant snow right here. I'm just gonna pour that on top. And let's just squish that in. By the way, guys, if you want to learn how to make a really nice, like I am not joking, really nice cloud cream that drizzles like crazy, I have a tutorial on how to do it, so check that out. It's just how to make the perfect cloud cream. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more, guys. I think it's almost done. Once I'm done, all I need to do is just let it sit for like 5 minutes so that all the instant snow can kind of like just expand in there. And then I think it should be done. But it's turning out pretty good so far. I really like the texture. It's like, I've never really seen this texture before, but it's turning out good. So guys, it turned out really, really well. It's super drizzly. Tell, but look at that, yes. Now it just kind of needs to be like, it just kind of needs to sit for like a little bit because I don't know if you guys can see all these like little white parts, but that just kind of needs to like soak into the slime. But it's turning out good so far.
12 seconds later.
Okay guys, it is all done. All the snow is kind of like soaked in and it is amazing, guys. I have absolutely no idea how the heck I did it. Actually, I have no idea how you guys did it because you guys are the one who chose how to make the slime. So yeah, like look at that. That is crazy. If you guys want to double that fizz, go ahead and check out my recipe.
How to make cloud cream like a pro.
Like a pro. Ooh, yes. Okay, this cloud cream is amazing, guys. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to be replacing it with this green one right here. This is a butter slime. I didn't really like the color of it, so I'm gonna change this one. Very, very nice, guys. Very nice doughy texture.
It looks really good.
Push that in there. I've actually never had a cloud cream as one of my background slimes, so this is gonna be a new one. There we go, guys. We got one slime all done. Now we do the next one. Next one, guys. I asked you if you wanted clear glue or white glue, and you guys chose clear glue. So let me get some clear glue. Okay, so I got some Darius glue right here. It's like one of my favorite glues because of the texture. It's super thick, and it's like $10. So, okay, so let's pour that in here. So I think that should be a good amount. Next one, guys, is the color, and you guys chose purple. So I'm gonna put a little drop of pink and then I'm gonna do a little tiny dot of blue because it has traumatized me.
That is tiny.
Okay, that's all the blue I'm gonna add. There you go. That's purple, right? That's purple. Okay, next step, guys. Next pool is glitter or pigment. You guys chose pigment. And also I asked you what color pigment because I was not about to just add any pigment. And you guys chose blue, I think, because it's kind of in the middle. So I think it's blue. Okay, so here is the blue that I'm gonna put. I wish I had like a lighter blue, but I don't, so I'm gonna have to use the sapphire blue. Okay, we're just gonna add a little bit because it's super dark and I don't want to like change the color too much. I kind of want it to still be, I kind of just want it to be like two different colors. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I always nice.
You're not saying. Okay, let's see how that turns out. Whoa, that turned out weird. Did it even mix? Okay, I'm gonna continue mixing. I have absolutely no idea what happened to the pigment.
I don't see it.
I'm confused. I am so confused. Okay, well I'm gonna add some more, I guess. I guess I'll add that much. Okay, this looks cool. This looks cool. It looks kind of like pink, but then it's like blue. It looks cool. I like it. Nice choice, guys. You guys are making some really awesome choices. It looks great. Okay, let me just go ahead and activate this really quick. Cannot wait till this clears up. It is a little bit dark for my setting, but I think it should fit in.
It's also a little small. You didn't put much.
That's enough.
It really isn't.
No, it really is enough.
It really isn't.
It really is enough.
It really isn't.
It really is enough.
Okay,
Paul.
you know what? We'll see, Ameerah.
We will see.
We will see.
So here's how it turned out, guys. Turned out pretty good, I think. Although you can't really see the pigment in it because, you know, it's all bubbly. But we will soon. I'm just gonna go ahead and over-activate it really quick just so that when it does clear up, it's like kind of like, you know, nice and perfect instead of being all melted. So I'm just gonna over-activate it really quick. I think it's a pretty good amount of over-activatedness. Alrighty, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch it with this slime on the same rack because I don't know what happened to it. It was really pretty and it was like pink, but it was like super light pink. I don't know what happened. It just turned like white or something, but it's still really pretty.
It's not enough, Ameerah.
It's enough, Paul.
Ameerah, it barely fits.
Okay, here's this slime. Let's do some ASMR with this because it is gorgeous, guys. Alright, let's close this one up and lock it away. Last one, guys! I have absolutely no idea which one I'm going to change. I feel like I'm going to change the sugar scrub one because I didn't make enough of that one, I feel like, and...
Just like you didn't make enough of the purple one that you just made. Ameerah.
I'm going to do the sugar scrub one. Plus, I'd like to keep it anyways. It's really nice. Like, next poll, guys, I asked you if you wanted clear glue or glue on, and you guys chose clear. Okay, so we're gonna put some clear glue. Let's put more this time. It's okay to have extra. And the next poll, guys, is what color? And you guys chose purple. So since we already have like 2 purple slimes already, I'm just gonna move it to the next one, which is pink. So yeah, drop pink, see how well that does. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay, next one is instant snow or plastic snow, and you guys chose instant snow. What a surprise. Can you guys give plastic snow a chance? All right, so for this, I think, you know, I'm gonna do that after. So I'm just gonna go into the next poll. What's the next poll is hollow glitter or white pigment, and you guys chose hollow glitter, which is really exciting. I feel like it's gonna look really cool because I love clear cloud fluffs, guys, and it's gonna have hollow glitter, and it's this color. It's gonna be amazing. I'm excited. This is the glitter I'm gonna be using. It's my favorite. It's from Recollections, and it's hollow glitter. Not sponsored, by the way. I just really like Recollections. Okay, so let's just put a little bit. I'm gonna put some at the end too once I make the cloud cream, just so it's like ASMR, you know. But look at how beautiful that is. It's like extra fine hollow glitter, I think it's called. I got it at Michael's. You guys want to get it? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my favorite, Paul. Do you see this? Beauty. It's almost as if the glitter is like pigment, but it's not pigment. That's how fine it is. Okay, so let me just go ahead and activate it. Ta-da!
Dang, Ameerah, you still got it.
Okay, so here it is, guys. Very, very nice, very pretty still. You can see the glitters. I'm not sure you guys can see it because, like, you know, it's the camera, but like up close and personal, you can see them. Like, they're beautiful. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and over-activate it really quick, and then I'll go ahead and put the snow. I am so excited to see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add the snow now. Okay, I'm just gonna add that much right now, guys. Ooh, I love clear. I like just slime instant snow mixing in general. Okay, so here's how it is so far. Looking pretty good. It's kind of like a jelly slime right now. It's got a really nice texture. Okay, now we go ahead and add more. Just gonna add the rest of this box. And let's see what happens. By the way, guys, I feel like clear glue melts a little bit more when you add the instant snow than white glue. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be making some more instant snow. I overactivated the slime, but I just want to show you guys the instant snow because it looks so cool. Ooh, look at how cool that is. Yes. By the way, guys, if you don't know how to make the instant, first of all, you could get instant snow at Amazon or just any online place. I don't know about the store though. I haven't seen anything. But also, you want to go ahead and put water in the snow just so that it's kind of like dry but wet. So not too much. Let's go ahead and start adding the snow again. I felt like we're gonna need this much snow, so I just put it all. No. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put away all the snow, and I'm gonna let this set for a little bit because it's already getting fizzy or fuzzy. Okie dokie, guys, I am all done. Here is all I have. I have these 2 big piles, which I kind of like measured this one. I put it in an 8-ounce cup just to see how much I would need. And I think this is about how much I need. But it turned out really, really nice. It's super fluffy. And also, I just want to mention, guys, Color Splash, the thinner the clear glue, the better. It makes it really cool. Got some glitter. Oh, yes. It looks cool. Okay, we're all done with this one. Now let's go ahead and change it. So what I'm going to be changing it for is this sugar scrub one I made. It smells super good. I made it clear, but I put soap in it. That way it is clear, but it's scented. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so here it is. It smells super good. And yeah. Okay, guys, let's just go ahead and put this in the container.
You missed it.
Ooh, that looks pretty, guys. Where do I put that? I'll put it up here. Alright, guys, well, I guess that is it, but don't leave yet. We have one more thing to do. Slime smoothie time! We still have a little bit left over of this blue one and this pink one. And they're both cloud cranes. And it's pink and blue. You already know that's gonna be beautiful. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that became a really cool texture. Like it's really smooth but thick. Okay, well guys, I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want me to do a part 2. I really enjoyed this. I thought it was pretty cool. I guess I'll replace some of my other slimes. And yeah, okay. Well, that is it guys. Thank you so much and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!